Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java programs for interviews, let us go with one more program today in this video, that is to find the sum of factorials up to the given number. So the task is we'll be taking a number, we'll be accepting a number from user. For example, if you are accepting the number like 5, we want to find the sum of factorials up to this given number, means 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial, which is 153. And we want to display the output in this format. Here we want to draw a line. Here we want to display the number and the factorial of that number. Again we want to draw the line. Under number will display 1. What is the factorial of 1? 1. Again 2. Factorial of 2 is 2. 3. 6. 4. 24. 5. Factorial of 5. 120. And again we want to draw the line, and here we want to say sum equal to sum of all these factorials, that is 153, and again we want to draw the line. So when we run this program, the output what we want to get is in this format. In this format we want to display the output. Now let us write the code of this. Open Eclipse. In the last video we have seen how to find the factorial. And in this program, we have accepted the number and we have created a method fact. To that method fact, we have passed our number as argument. And this fact method is going to return the factorial of given number. Now we are going to reuse this fact method in our program. Now, let us create a new class. Some fact, I'm going with the name some fact with main method inside. Now, import scanner class to read the number from user up to which number we want to find the factorial. So create object of scanner is equal to new scanner, connect to system.in. Now go with the message, enter a number, we'll say int num equal to s dot, next int. Now take a variable sum equal to 0. This let us take sum as some factorial as 0. Now draw a line. Draw a line. So within double quotes, you can draw the line. Whatever we keep in double quotes, that will get printed as it is. Then go with the message, number and factorial. Number and factorial. Now, again, draw the line. Now take a for loop with variable I equal to, or you can say n equal to 1 until it reaches your given number. So here if you take 5, means we want to find the sum of factorials up to 5. If you say 10, we want to find sum of factorials up to 10 here. Then say n plus plus. So where is our number present? In n variable now. In n variable. Now for this n, we want to find the factorial. So when you are displaying, display the space, go with the number, display the number, again space. Now we want to display the factorial of this number. N is what? 1. Now we want to find the factorial of 1. How to find factorial of 1? By calling the method fact and pass your number. See, in the previous video we have created this factorial class with a method fact. So to this fact method, whatever the number you pass as an argument, it's going to return the factorial of that number. And since this fact is a method belongs to factorial class, and since it is static, I can call this method directly with the class name. So let us call this method with the class name, factorial.fact. What is the value of n? Initially 1, so it's going to print 1 and factorial of 1. Now take the factorial of 1 and add it to sum. Sum equal to sum plus factorial dot fact of given number. So here I'm repeating. First n is 1. Let us suppose the number is 5. If the number is 5, then the loop repeats for 5 times. Now n is 1, it is going to print the number 1 and displays the factorial of 1. Then you are taking the factorial of 1 and adding to sum here. Again n plus plus, n will become 2. 2 less than or equal to 5, yes. Then it's going to print 2, takes the factorial of 2, displays the factorial of 2 here, takes the factorial of 2 and adds to sum. Like that the loop repeats for 5 times if our number is 5. If the number is 50, the loop repeats for 50 times. Right? Now, once the loop is completed, draw the line again. Go with the message sum equal to sum of all these factorials. Again, draw the line. That's it. Now, save this program and let us run this code. Right click and say run as Java application. If you take the number as 5, it's going to display the factorial up to 5 here, sum of factorial. So you can add some spaces over here. Run the code again. Take the number as 5. It's going to display the factorial of 1, some factorial of 1, 2, 2. Like that 5, 120. And it is displaying the sum of all these factorials. Right? If you run the code again, if you take the number as 6, then it's going to display sum of factorials up to 6 here, which is 873. Right? So it's very, very important code. So whatever the code we have written here, the fact method, whatever we have created in the factorial class, we are able to use that method in another program also. Since it is static method, this fact method is static, we can able to access it directly with the class name. If the fact method is not static, then we have to create object of class. We have to create object of class factorial in this program. Then using that object, we should able to call the method. Right? So that's about in this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.